Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's walkthrough, I'm going to show you exactly how to get or share a direct link to a specific tab or sheet right inside Google Sheets. If you've ever felt frustrated by having to tell someone, hey, scroll to the third tab, or check out the sheet with all the sales data, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know a simple method to take people exactly where they need to go with just a click. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Sheet and head to the tab or specific sheet that you want to share. Now say you're working with a busy spreadsheet with multiple sheets, maybe one for monthly budgets, one for expenses, and another for projections. Instead of sending over the entire file and hoping your colleague knows where to look, you can make life a lot easier by linking directly to what matters. Here, how to do it, start by clicking any cell in the tab you want to link to. You can literally pick any cell, and if you want to be extra clear, you can select a cell where you want the actual link to appear for future reference or just as a starting point. Once you've selected your cell, look up towards the top of your screen. You'll notice a little link icon, kind of like two chain links connecting together. Click that and a pop-up window will appear. If you don't see the icon, don't worry. There's another way, head up to the menu bar, find Insert, and then choose Link. Both methods do the same thing. But let me share a shortcut that can save you even more time. If you like using keyboard combos, just press Ctrl+K, that's Ctrl+K on Windows, or Command+K if you're on a Mac. This is one of those shortcuts that quickly becomes second nature once you get used to it. The pop-up window I mentioned before will now show up. Inside that link pop-up, you'll see two boxes. The first box is for the text you want to display, like See Sales Data tab, but the magic happens in the second box, which is labeled Link. In here, instead of pasting any old URL, start typing the name of the sheet or tab you want to link to. For instance, if your tab is called Projections 2024, just type Projections, and you'll see suggestions pop up right away. Google Sheets does this search for you, almost like how it helps with email addresses in Gmail. Pick the correct sheet from the drop-down list. After you've selected your tab, go ahead and click Apply. That's it, you've created an internal link that will jump straight to that sheet when clicked. Now, this is especially handy if you're creating a summary sheet and want to help your teammates navigate complex spreadsheets without calling you every 5 minutes. If you want to actually share a link to that tab, say in an email or chat message, the trick is to click into the tab, select any cell, then check your browser's address bar. You'll notice the URL now includes some details about the tab you're viewing. Copy that, and when someone clicks it, they'll jump directly to the tab you've chosen. And there you have it. It might feel a little fiddly the first time, but once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever managed massive spreadsheets without this trick. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to tap that like button. If you have any questions or want more tips for working smarter in Google Sheets, drop a comment below. I love helping out. And of course, subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.